children, here we have something called a compound ratio. Now, if I have a compound ratio A is to B and C is to D, I mean, I have two ratios A is to B and C is to D. Their compound ratio is nothing but AC into AC by BD. If I have, for suppose if I have three, I mean, if I have A, B, C, D, I also have EF here. For suppose I have A is to B, C is to D, and E is to F. I have E is to F. I have A is to B, C is to D, and E is to F. Now their compound ratio will be AC
by
ACE by
ACE by BDF.
BDF.
Neha. You're not supposed to speak something in the mic unless until I say something, okay? Because it creates a confusion, okay? Want to say something, you can always type. Then it's a personal request because your friends might get disturbed or confused when you speak as well and I speak as well, okay? I'll give you a chance to speak, then you can speak. Otherwise, there'll be a confusion and chaos. So children, what will be the answer in this case? Find the compound ratios of 2:3, 5:6, and 1:7. Please type the answers in the chat box.
Sir, we wrote 251 because 2,5 like that we actually.
That is not the way you write. Here AC means A into C, right? So children, it will be 2 into 5 into 1 by 3 into 6 into 7. Now if I simplify this is 2 ones are, this is 2 threes are. So children, this will be 5 by 63. The answer is 5 by 63, children. Children, okay. Moving on. Duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio. The duplicate ratio of A is to B is the ratio of their squares A and B. That is A square is to B square. The duplicate ratio of A is to B is the ratio of the squares A and B. That is A square is to B square. So children, what will be the answer in this case? Please type in the chat box. Please type the answers in the chat box, children. So children,
Sir, actually, I have a doubt in that question. How you did the compound ratio? How did you actually did it? I didn't get it.
I'm not understanding what you're speaking. You're talking about which question? This one or the previous one?
No, the previous one about the compound ratio.
I multiplied it. What's the difficulty here?
Actually, 2 into 5 into 1 you did.
Yeah.
Then why do you cut 2 into
I simplified it. I simplified it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it.
So children, the duplicate ratio here will be 2:3. Okay. Subduplicate ratio. The subduplicate ratio of a given ratio is equal to the ratio of the square roots of the antecedent and the consequent. Antecedent is nothing but the first term. This is the antecedent. My first one is the antecedent and the second one is the consequent. So the subduplicate ratio of a given ratio is equal to the ratio of the square roots of the antecedent and the consequent of the given ratio. So children, what is the answer in this case? Subduplicate ratio of 25:49 will be what? Type the answers in the chat box, please. I want the answer for this case. Yashika, good evening, Yashika.
Yeah, sir. Good evening. I'm sorry I'm late.
It's okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Good that you joined.
get it. I didn't get this one.
No problem. We'll do it. So children, here the subduplicate ratio, if I have a number, if I have the ratio as A is to B, the subduplicate ratio in this case will be root of A and root of
Sir,
B.
can you wait for 1 minute? I'm just doing it, please.
Okay, do it, please. Yeah. So children, the answer in this case will be what? Root of 25
So 5:7.
Yes. Root of 25 is to root of 49. So root of 25 is to root of 49. Root of 25, children, it is 5. And root of 49 is 7. So the answer is 5:7.
Sir, what is the square root?
Square root. Okay. So children, 25 can be written as 5 into 5, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And when I apply a square root, what exactly happens is I can take only one 5 outside. So this becomes square root of 25 will become 5. Similarly, if I have 4 can be written as 2 into 2, children.
Yes.
Because square root is there, I'll take only 1 2 out. Okay.
Okay.
It's like that. Here 49 is what, children? It is 7 into 7, right? Now because there's a square root, I will take only 1 7 outside. So that is this.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is how we do it. Neha, did you observe what I did?
Sir, I didn't get it, sir.
That's why you need to observe what I'm doing. So when you have not got something, you should just have to observe what I'm doing. So children, here I have subduplicate ratio of 25:49. Now that means what? I need to take root of 25 and root of 49. Root of 25 means what? Root of 5 into 5. Children, where there's a square root and I have two same numbers inside, I'll take only one outside. Same way, excuse me. So children, so you have a 49 here. 49 is nothing but 7 into 7. Since I have a square root here, I will take only 1 7 outside. So this is about the square root.